And good morning. Today we are going to Batangas again with Debby, Petra and Tero. Our plan is to take some little day trip to Batangas and do some diving, but I'm not gonna dive. I'm just gonna go there just to get out of the city for a while. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll figure it out once we get there. Now it's 4 a.m. I'm on my way to get some cigarettes and a coffee, and we will meet there at 5, and then we're gonna go. It's about 2 to 3 hour drive, so let's go. Usually I'm late, but now everyone else is late, so I don't know. It's already 5 a.m. They should be here already, but I don't know. I'm just gonna wait.
Oh, you want to put it in the bag?
Yeah, I think so because
I brought your snacks.
no, I brought this for you.
It's still not eaten. But you could just dump everything there.
Maybe not. I think it's fine. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Oh my God, who was with you?
What? Oh, you won't fit?
Thank you.
Sorry. So are we gonna stop somewhere first or?
Having a little pit stop, get something to drink, not beer. Not beer. Later we're gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna buy a Red Bull. I haven't been drinking this for like 2 months, 3 months. So yeah. Maybe some snacks. We've been driving now for 45 minutes or something like that. We still have 2 hours to drive, but yeah, let's see. And it's gonna be raining, but hopefully when we get there it's not raining. But yeah, that's it. Okie dokie, road trip is continuing.
I kicked him. Because I got tangled there, so I kicked him to get it.
But didn't you kick his regulator?
Tero is going to dive today. I'm not really interested about that. So Tero is putting his wetsuit on, wetsuit, and yeah, they're gonna practice in the pool. A little bit how to do. I don't know. I don't care. So let's see how he does it. I don't. Yeah.
First time?
Oh, you know, he has a dive center.
If you experience easier diving in the pool, so it will be definitely much easier in the open sea. Just of course, there's no sea here. There's no animals. We'll just be focusing on the skills first. Okay? I'll just get the equipment, and then so we can already start doing the skills. So you have about like 200 bars, so meaning it's full tank, okay? Then you'll be learning more of the details about the equipment once you decide to move forward. Because Discover Scuba Diving can be credited, once you finish it, can be credited towards training dives for open water license. Okay? So you can wear it like a life vest. Then I'll explain later what are the functions of each equipment. Okay? All right.
When we first met, he had very black hair, and according to him, the white hair, half of it is because of that.
Do you know how to tighten it or to lock it?
We'll lock. I'll just wear this first. It's similar to actually loosen this a little bit.
Oh, we didn't get you any fins.
Tapos you'll wonder why you've gone without it for so long.
And then
Now,
try to pull this enough for your size. Make sure it's tighten enough.
Dalawahin mo kuya kasi
Is it like good fit or?
Yeah, it's good, it's good. This one, shoulder. Let me see. This one behind. The crotch strap. This is a little bit so
Wedgie.
get the crotch strap.
It's a wedgie.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay. Go to the then step down a little bit. Bring your mask, okay? The fins can be later.
yung fins na orange. Fins na orange.
I think it's gonna rain. I think I'm gonna go to the bar, not on the boat.
Going down, you need a little bit of extra weights. I'll just borrow the weights. Rocco, thank you. Just put it this in your pocket. Alright, so going down again. Did you feel the pressure when you go down? No, but here definitely going to feel some pressure here. Okay, so after that, before you even the pressure gets stronger, equalize immediately. Okay, or once your head is already underwater, equalize immediately. Okay, from until we reach the bottom.
I remember I dropped the weight on and someone took it. Ross, I think Ross.
There. Just move it. If you don't want it on that position, just move it to a different TV.
There's a calculation I just forgot.
So the others went on a boat. It was raining, so I didn't want to go with them because I would get wet. All my gear will get wet. And I didn't feel like I want to do snorkeling or anything, so I stayed here on a beach. Just gonna do some walking and see what's out there, out here. Nothing much, as you can see. The beach is not really great, but that's only because I think it was on December when was the last huge typhoon. It made a landfall somewhere here, and it completely destroyed this beach and the hotel and everything. All the boats were there, not on the water but on the beach. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around and if I can find something, take some pictures or something. Yeah. I think they are coming back now. It only took almost 3 hours diving on the boat when they left and come back. Almost 3 hours, or maybe, yeah. Well, I found something else to do. I found beer and Long Island iced tea. It's Saturday, so why the fuck not? So let's ask what Tero thinks about it. Thinks about diving once he gets here. So okay, how was the diving?
It was awesome. I saw 1 meter turtle, bottom of the water. Real, true story. True story.
Was it difficult?
Huh.
Diving, handling
Awesome.
all the oxygen,
Yeah.
oxygen. Was it difficult?
First 5 minutes, 10 minutes it was because I focused too much to breathing. Then I start to looking the fish, turtle, corals, and I forgot. I don't forget the breathing, but
Yeah.
I forgot to focusing my breath.
Yeah.
Breathing. Then it was awesome. I saw the turtle, if I don't say that already. It was a 1 meter turtle.
Big ass turtle.
Yeah, it was big ass. Big and old ass. It started raining.
I only have like the half moon.
So yeah, it's
Yeah, we saw the turtle. You saw
We
it?
saw
Oh,
it.
nice.
It was following us. It was
Actually, he was the one who saw it first. I was like deploying the balloon, and then then I saw him like, all right. So and then it was like, doing like that, and then yeah, and then said,
You know the diver's
No.
excited, huh? When he's just starting his diving, he's already doing
just
this
wanna-
thing.
Okay, now we need to leave back to Manila. But yeah, we have plans for tonight.
We don't have a
I think we have a plan. Let's see.
And I need to get my mask.
Can I drive?
No.
Okay. I'm fine with that. Alright, I'm testing the new phone. I'm not using my DSLR anymore. So, alright, we came back from the Batangas and we dropped by here at Tero, and now we are going to BTZ, to the bar. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm tired as fuck. I don't know. Few drinks and let's see what's gonna happen. I don't know. It was a 3-hour drive back to Manila. We went to eat at McDonald's, and after that every one of us got so tired that just wanna sleep. But yeah, let's go to BTZ and see. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're gonna have a few drinks. That's it. Let's see. Okay, I think the night we're done with the night. See you next time.